a morning shift. Morning shift typically starts 4 a.m. in most airports. One of the first things I do when I walk in the office is look at the schedule. I gotta know which flights are going out first and which gates they're gonna be coming out of. So it's very essential that you know which flights go out first so you can prioritize them. Secondly, I got my vest, so it's a little chilly outside. I got this little coat. Make sure you be seen, safety first. Also, you gotta have your badge at all times. Those are the two most important things. Other safety things, make sure you got your earplugs. I got my earplugs. Also, you gotta wear steel-toe boots. Now I'm gonna go do a walk around, make sure nothing was broken, nothing was damaged overnight. So I have a flashlight, make sure I'm looking at dents, anything obvious damages. I don't have to do any deep inspections. I just gotta make sure there's nothing too obvious that's damaged or any missing parts, anything like that. Now, working at the airlines as a ramp agent, time is very critical. Time is everything. So what I'm doing now is I'm setting up the ramp because every second counts. So one of the first things I do is I pull up a belt loader. I set up a belt loader on each plane so that when the bags are ready, we can just pull it up. This is the belt loader. I'm gonna pull it up next to the aircraft. This is what we use so that we can load the bags onto the aircraft. After I set up the belt loaders, I take the tow bar and hook it up to the aircraft. Once the rest of the crew comes in, I'll be able to hook up the tow bar to the tug. The tug is what we use to push the airplane back. Now we do a little minor details inside the plane, blue juice, surge, little things I can't really say. Once we do that, we just wait for the bags to load the bags. Once it's all set up, I'm just gonna go in the ops office. We gotta turn power on. I'm in the bin, pretty much where we put the bags on the plane to show you how to stack it real fast. This is not cracked. It's on my brother. Good, man. Good. This right here is the man. He's our supervisor in the bag room. He brings all the bags in the morning so we don't have to come here and get it.